Hey y'all, this is Loverboy12291. I'm gonna do an inbox of Claudine Wolf, Ghouls Alive. I'm doing an inbox because this is a gift for my cousin. So yeah, let's get this box review started. Here we have the Monster High. The Monster High written on the side with the scarlet in the middle. Here's the illustration of Claudine howling at the moon with some bats. And here's the bottom that says Ghouls Alive. Sorry y'all, that's my phone. And it says Claudine Wolf right in the center there. So I'll do it slow so you get a good look at it. And there's the front. Here we got the side with all the monsters that's out of it. There's more monsters that came out that's new. It says Ghouls Alive. Here's Spectra, Frankie, and Claudine. Let's go to the back now. Here we have the Monster High. It says be yourself, be unique, be a monster. So here goes back. I'm gonna pause it right here so you can pause it and read it if you want. Okay, so then here go to the bottom. We got the three monsters. Okay, and here we got the side. If you see, you can tell it got spider webs on it, and Claudine's hair, part of her ear. And I'm gonna show you what she does. Okay, back here we have the button. You push on that button and she does this. It's kind of neat, different. So yeah, here's the inbox review. So like, comment, and subscribe. So thank you for watching. Bye. Box review of Ghouls Alive Spectra. So let's get this started. See right here we got the Monster High. Their Monster High written on the side with a skull lid. And here go the picture of Spectra in front. She's a ghost. Give you the whole front. Okay, then we're going to turn to the side. Here again we have Ghouls Alive. We got Frankie, Claudine, and Spectra. These are the three monsters that's out on Ghouls Alive. There's new ones. There's Deuce and Tourline, I think her name is. So yeah. So here's the back. Monster High. Be yourself, be unique, be a monster. Here I'm going to go down slowly. And right here I'm going to pause it so you can pause and read it if you want. Okay, now I'm going to go down more. And here's some more of the monsters. Go back up. And on the other side, we have more of the spider web. We're part of Spectra's hair. And skirts, I think. Now let's show you what she does. Now she doesn't have a hole in the back, if you could tell. Like Claudine. Right here you have to push right in the center. And that's what she does. So yeah, this is my inbox review of Spectra. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.